can see, I have pulled that tree down. So this is that big massive tree that had fallen over in the ice storm. So this is going to be a part 1 of a part 2. Part 2 would be me chopping this up and getting rid of all this debris, because I have all this to get rid of. And then I also, over here, let me show you, I have traces of this over here to get done. And then I have that big old branch over there to get done. And as you can see, I have my lobbers over there getting ready to take care of business. So wish your girl some luck, because you know, when you see an issue in your backyard, you have to get out there and take care of the problem. So that is what your girl's going to do. I'm going to get out there and take care of the problem. All right, guys, I will see you in part 2. Guys, I'm going to start cutting this tree apart. So I'm going to take you along with my journey. Here we go. Even though it is cold out here, your girl got the job done. Whew. It is like, I don't know, it has to be like minus 23, 32 degrees out here, but it is seriously cold. But you know what? When you got something to do in the garden, you cannot let the weather stop you from getting stuff done. So let me turn the camera around so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I've got majority of that tree that I cut down in this trash can. And I just have a little bit of this left over that won't fit in the trash can. So I'm going to put this in a bag, and this is what it looked like. Here is the tree that fell down, as you saw in the previous video. Look how long it is. Let me start from this side, from the bottom, and I'll just walk you all the way to how long this tree was. See how long this tree was? And I planted this tree when we got into this house, and we've been in this house for like 18 years. So this started out as a small little Leland cypress tree. But look at this. Look how big this bad boy is now. Huge. But now it is all in the trash can. Look how green and lush that looks. I should keep some of this to put in as a filler in the bottom of one of my grow bags. So I may keep this and stick it down in the bottom of one of my grow bags to help me save some money on some dirt. All right, guys, this is the end of part 2. Yay! Your girl has completed it. Look at that. Trash can full of my Leland cypress. Look at this. Look how green these leaves and stuff are. I hate to see it come down. Oh, I tell you. All right, let me show you where this tree started at. Guys, I'm going to zoom in and let you see. That's where I chopped off the tree, and I just have that little bit to finish chopping, but I'll do that in the spring. Because look at that. That tree, as you can see, that big mound of dirt back there is the base of the tree. They had all that ice storm, it just knocked it over. So that one looked like this Leland cypress tree all the way up there. So at least I have some of my trees that are still holding on. But this tree right here, whew, that bad boy was no joke trying to cut it down. But your girl got it down, so I'm so proud. So Miss Renee has saved the day. That's just less work that I'm going to have to be doing in the springtime. All right, guys, I just wanted to come and say, oh, I've done it, because thanks Bull from the Bull's Garden, because he was out there taking care of some of his trees as well, and he had his son out there. So it was a good reminder that I better get out there while we still have some good days. And so when spring comes, I won't have so much to deal with. So thank you, Bull from the Bull's Garden. I appreciate you, bruh. You just don't know. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee, of course, let me zoom you out. You have a wonderful, wonderful day. All right, guys, take care.